Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live photos on iMessage. Alright, so first up, you need to capture it by using your camera. Okay, so go ahead and open up the camera app. Just like so, make sure that you capture a photo using live photo right here. And then just make a snap. Once that's done, go ahead and go back to your messaging app right here. Now tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. There you go. And then just tap on photos. Tap on it. Now all you got to do is just browse through the photos that you just snapped or took. So go ahead and tap on it. And then as you can see here, you'll be able to see an indicator that it is a live photo when it got the live photo logo. So just go ahead and tap on send right here. And if the person receives it, they can tap on it and check if this is a live photo as well. And there you have it. That is how you send a live photo on iMessage. Just make sure that you send it to a person who's using Apple devices as well, and they got iMessage enabled. And if you want to, you can go ahead over to Photos once more. Select the photo. You can tap on it. Now hold down the send button. Add in some effects like loud, send with gentle, or a send with invisible ink. All right, tap on send. There you go. They can brush it off to check it. And that is how you send live photos on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.